fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, just give me everything. So I crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Mathis back with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And in today's video, we're going to a 407 Mopar event. They're hosting this Lupus drive, so we going out there to support my man. So it's gonna be an eventful day. Stay tuned, and I'll get back to y'all. Hey y'all, so we're back. We made it to our little spot. We're gonna have to use this pretty jacket I got. I ain't gonna lie, cause I don't want to. Why would I wear a white crop top? Why? But we got food from the Licking. If y'all don't know what the Licking is, y'all need to try it your next visit in Orlando. What did I get today? We got a lemonade. I was gonna get their mystery drink, but I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna pay $9 a day on a drink. I'm sorry, I don't want to. So we got our regular lemonade, a chicken wing dinner, the finger licking sauce. We got candy yams and mac. So y'all gonna see it. Oh, they gave me some rinse for my I was about to say I didn't have to tell them. But yes. Babe, where your gray tray at?
Huh?
Where your gray tray at?
It's at home.
Damn! Damn! So yeah, y'all, he really wasn't trying to slow down today. So yeah. And they gave me some hot sauce too. They know what's good. Want me to let the window down? Alright. This is what it looks like for licking. We got yams, mac, and finger licking wings.
Sour.
Yeah, I know.
Sour.
Yeah, that mystery drink would mess you up, boy.
That's a mystery drink?
Yeah, they got a mystery drink. No, the mystery drink has different colors in it. Yeah. So.
Just put me on this website, y'all. Look at the steering wheel. Put my steering wheel on this website. I thank you very much, Detroit Customs. It's killer. I'm just hard like that.
Y'all like yams with marshmallows, or it don't matter. For me, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No.
But yeah, y'all finna get this work. I'm finna show y'all how I get this work in.
That Ronnie work?
All that nigga wanted was some work.
Right. Is he really wrong? Like,
I don't think he is, but it is what it is. How is it? She made that look good. Making that sound good, you know what I mean?
it ain't.
How
Everybody out. Shit. Damn. Gotta get his car right.
like a fade. You gotta come
Out here with all the toys. It's hot. But we all finna cruise out soon.
This. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I gotta think about. But the car gonna be yellow. Is it yellow?
Yours?
Yeah, when I do it.
Yeah, I say yellow. I say yellow.
All last night it rained. I got that demon on.
Yeah, we got demon.
Like 24-hour rain insurance. So like now that you're over, nigga, I put about.
Sorry, y'all, I don't know my cars, but I don't know what is that, babe?
All right, I'm gonna get with y'all.
Oh, move this.
crazy, man. We back outside in Orlando, man.
We just passed by Volcano Bay, y'all. I want to go there one of these days. Little water park. Passing by all the, not excursions you would call it, but like all the activities and stuff in Orlando. Got the camera all up in my face, my fault, y'all.
Yeah, man, we outside, man. We outside, man. I'm gonna get back to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Cause I just want to show y'all about 45 minutes of me driving. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're a little closer.
I lied.
I'm gonna give y'all one more look at Orlando.
I'll get back to y'all. Let me just give y'all a couple more. Toodles! Hey y'all, so we're back in Tampa. I just woke up from a nap, so not mind me at all. But y'all hear that? We got all the toys out. Hey y'all, so this is my segment. I got my Wawa strawberry lemonade. My man got his milkshake. We are out here with all the toys like I showed y'all earlier. And I'm sorry to say, but my man still got the fastest out here. Respectfully. Respectfully. We got everybody out here though.
Vlog knows.
Come on now. He said 3 mil. 3 mil. 3 mil. Outside, y'all. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? What you gotta say, please?
Alright, man, we outside, man. Like Birdman said, we got $3 million worth of cars out here. You know what I'm saying? All Mopar, all hemi. Let me talk my big shit. He told Birdman, give me the green light to talk my shit today. Still in Tampa, man. You know how we rocking, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Pop some. Come on. Come on.
Hey vlog, I wake up from a nap and then look what I wake up to, bro. Like, everybody out here, bro. I go to sleep for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes at that. My baby, getting his content.
Oh, bro, I've been motherfucking recording all day, all night, even overnight.
So I like the lighting, thank you, Chuck. I like you, even after a nap. But yeah, this is everybody. We got the motorcycles out. We got everybody out. We outside. I love you too. Baby, I'm driving, I'm selling hands now.
Over here on the bay, on the water, the breeze feeling like I'm in Miami. You know what I mean? I got my dog over here with a fucking no shirt underneath the shirt.
It was a pretty good day. Like I said, I've been asleep all day, y'all. I didn't sleep all day, but at least the outfit's tea. The outfit's tea.